Hi there. So congratulations for watching this post and this video. And the reason I say congratulations to you is because there are many business owners who believe that as they're in a business, their life is all about struggling. And this is the way it will be forever. But the fact that you have taken time to watch this post and you are actually watching this video means that you are looking for something different, isn't it? You want a different life. You want to achieve different things. You want freedom from these chains of being in a business and not really being able to own it. So whether you are a top CEO, a professional who's been hired to run a business for a company, or you are a business owner who owns a company, who started it as a baby, whichever way it is, there is a heavy secret that is burdening you, which is that the organization is actually running you instead of you running the organization. Am I right? Well, it's very unfortunate. And it's also unfortunate that the higher you climb, the worse it becomes. The more the dependency increases. So, after having worked with 13 years in different organizations in India and overseas, with organizations like Amazon, Microsoft, Sapient, the Times of India Group, and also in the last 20 years of having my own training, coaching, and consulting business, I worked with almost 50 plus CEOs, business owners in different industries, different domains. And one thing that has come very common is that there are three fundamental relationship blocks that are actually draining you. So I'm going to be conducting a masterclass, and in this masterclass, I'm going to share with you the framework which basically talks about these three shifts. And the framework that I call it is the Freedom Code. So in this, there are three different shifts. The first shift is about, instead of being trapped in your day-to-day grind, moving from that to becoming a calm leader. So from a crisis manager to a calm leader, that's the first shift. Now, because you are stuck in your operations on a day-to-day basis, nothing really runs without you signing off things. When it comes to main decision making, it is always yours. Because of that, your time is getting stuck into managing crisis on a day-to-day basis. And you are constantly on a hamster wheel trying to go somewhere but really not reaching anywhere. So in this shift, we are going to help you to move to a place of clarity, a place where you feel more confident, more calm, and without being panicked, without really getting into a stressful mode. The second shift that we're going to show you or work with you is from becoming a chief empowerer rather than a chief problem solver, right? So your teams can't run without you. You need to be there to help them to execute anything. If they're stuck somewhere, they need your input. If you want them to function on their own, they can't really do that. So this shift transforms them to become the outcome owners. So they start taking the accountability. They get you the solutions rather than you pushing them. So that gives you the time to do strategic level focus. So the shift 3 is from being a manager to a vision carrier. So this shift helps you to become a leader that is not stuck in operations, not stuck in the day-to-day grind, is able to really focus on the future. This shift allows you to become the inspirational leader that you were destined to be, that you always wanted to be, right? Whether you wanted to be as a business owner or as a CEO, your entire organization needs that compelling vision to take it forward today, to scale it to the next level. So I'm hosting a free masterclass. In this masterclass, I'm going to work with you on these 3 shifts on your specific business challenge. So bring your specific business challenge to this session, and we will work together to create a blueprint which you can start implementing from the next day itself. So this is a very a small group basically of business owners and CEOs that we are calling for this session. You need to apply for it. The link to register on it is there below this post in the comment. You can click on that, register on it. Keep your time available for this. I look forward to working with you and coming up with some real tangible outcomes for your business to take it forward. And I wish you all the best, and I really hope that you start now living your life and your business on your terms with this masterclass. So see you soon.